Qservices, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. What we've got here and we're looking at is a Sterling power charger system relay. Now on this setup what we've got is two batteries. One that's the main battery, and you'll see on there that's replicating the ignition switch. This is the other battery, that's the leisure battery on the system. Now you'll see on there the system itself is showing 14 amps at the present moment on the meter. That one is connected up to the leisure battery. On this other one we're using the charger to put power in as though it's the vehicle engine running on the system, the neutral and the live. As you look at the controls down here, what you'll find is you've got the first one on the left hand side here, which is the live, main live to the actual battery. Now you'd fuse protect that system on there. We're just doing this just to show you, simple, straightforward, but that's the main in live to the system itself. You've then got two neutrals here. One neutral would go to the leisure battery, the other neutral would go to the car battery. Same again, it's just replicating what goes on. We've then got the other one, which is this system here, and that goes, the far right hand side system then goes to the leisure battery live. So make sure you get the positives and the neutrals, positives and neutrals, but like I say, the most important thing is also fuse protection in the system. Now we've then got the ignition key system. So what I've got is another live coming off here, which will be on the ignition if you wanted to. Now this doesn't have to go in, but you'll see it's the one in the one that's third up from the bottom, and that is replicating the ignition key. It's just protecting the system overnight, so if you knock it off, it's there. So that switch there is protecting the whole system. When you come to put it in place, all you simply need to do is, you've got two black buttons here, as you can see. Hold them down for 50 seconds just to be on the safe side. 30 should do, but hold them down 50 seconds, release them. You'll then see the lights flickering, going up and down, and what it'll do is it'll pick up the battery type that you're using and automatically put it into the adjustment it needs to be and sort itself out. That's all you simply need to do. Very simple, straightforward. So the live from the car battery, the two neutrals, one going off to the leisure battery, one to the car battery. You've then got the other live that's going off on this side that goes to the live on the leisure battery. We've got a meter here showing it charging. All we're simply doing, like I said before, is we've got this in place to put charge and keep this charged up to replicate how it works, so it's all showing it how it's working correctly. Thank you very much. Qservices, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. Hope this helps people out there that are working on window cleaning systems and so on.